Hello. In this segment, you're going to learn how to create a donation button in PayPal. I'm assuming that for the most part, all of you already have your PayPal account set up and active. So we'll start off at the top where you see my cursor, where it says Merchant Services. We'll click on that tab. And when you get to the Merchant Services screen, you'll see 4 options you can choose from, or it's titled Features you can use right now. What we're going to do is we're going to use Create Payment Buttons for your website. And then once you click on that, it brings you to this screen, PayPal Payment Standard Setup. And once again, you'll see that you have 3 options. The first option, tab option 1, create a payment button. That's the one we're going to use. So you'll also take your cursor, move to the middle of the screen, and we're going to click on create a button. As I said, we already know we're going to create a donate button. Now this page is called the Create PayPal Payment Button screen. And we're going to go down to step 1. And the first thing we're going to do is choose a button type. You have many you can choose from. Shopping cart, which is great for you who have online stores. Buy now, if you want someone to make a payment right now. Of course, you have the donations we're going to use. Gift certificate. 3 other good ones are subscriptions, automatic billing, and installment plan. This is for you who have clients that may not be able to pay everything all at once. You can set them up on a subscription or automated billing or an installment plan. Right now we're going to go to donations. Organization name service is basically going to be the name of your organization, a company, and or the service you're providing. So right now we're going to put in I love pets. Next to that you see the donation ID. This is optional, but it works great for tracking purposes. You can assign a specific or unique name or code to each product or service that you offer. Right now we're going to use 5868C. Now beneath that you see where it says customize button. You can click on customize text or appearance, and you see 2 options to customize your button. The first one, you're customizing the PayPal button. Now you can check in where it says use smaller button, and what that does is it decreases the size of the donate button, as you can see just to the right. Now you can uncheck it and go beneath that and check where it says display credit card logos, and you'll see the credit card logos come up. Beneath that you have your country and your languages for the button. Many countries, many languages, great for international clients, customers. Right now we're going to use English in the United States. Beneath that you see the field use your own button image. Now there are websites out there that will allow you to create your own button and use your own unique button appearance to match your website or your email, whatever it may be. What you'll do is get the URL from that button image and paste it here. And when you save your button and paste it in your website or your email, it'll look just like your website page or email. So that's a great feature PayPal has. But we're going to go back to PayPal button. We're going to leave the credit card logos up, and we're going to go down to currency. Of course, we're going to use United States dollars, USD. There are also many different denominations of currency for all over the world. Once again, great feature for international clients, customers. Beneath that is the most important part, in my opinion, contribution amount. Donors enter their own contribution amount, and donors contribute a fixed amount. Now, the first one we have selected is donors enter their own contribution amount. Basically, the donor will have the option to contribute whatever they want to. $1, $5, $100, $1,000. The next one is donors contribute a fixed amount. This is where we're going to go in and select and have a specific amount that we want the donors to pay. So let's just say we want the donors to donate $25. So we're going to put in $25, and when the donor clicks the PayPal button, they'll be able to donate the $25. And also beneath that, be careful, read the note. It says this button is intended for fundraising. If you are not raising money for a cause, please choose another option. Nonprofits must verify their status to withdraw donations they receive. Users that are not verified nonprofits must demonstrate how their donations will be used once they raise more than $10,000 USD. So that's very important. The PayPal is very strict. So we're going to go back in and put the $25 in here with the USD as the fixed contribution amount. Beneath that, you can use your merchant account IDs. I generally use the secure merchant ID so it won't be visible to spammers. If you use the primary email address, it will be visible to spammers. That's the primary difference there. Okay, and then a couple more options in step 2 and step 3. Those are optional. Customize. Something you really don't need right now. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead back to step 1 and we're going to click create button. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a button. Now, once you create it, you have to paste it in your website or your email. And right here where it's highlighted in the in blue, basically you're selecting the code. So if it's highlighted in blue, you're selecting it. All you have to do, if it's not already highlighted, is click on where it says select code, and it selects it for you. You'll be able to upload that or paste it into your HTML on your website, on your regardless of what website it is. It works with pretty much any type of website. You know, HTML, Wix, whatever it may be. WordPress. I'm a huge fan of WordPress myself. That's what I use it on most of the time. And also, if you want to send a payment link to your donor or your client in email, you click on the email tab as I just did and copy the code selected there and paste it into your email when you compose your email. Send it to them. They click on the link and they're able to make their payment via PayPal. Simple as that. And also, if you want to go back and make any edits, you can click here where it says go back to edit this button. And also right beneath that, if you want to make a similar button to the one we just created, just create similar button, go back, make whatever changes you may need, and follow the steps again. 1, 2, 3, bam, you're done. And that's pretty much how you would create a donation button in PayPal. And stay tuned in the future because we will have more lessons being taught on how to create buttons. Also, many other things, new exciting things we're doing. Stay tuned to our YouTube channel.